Depreciation. So depreciation is one of those things that you will see in every test paper there ever is in accounting. Okay, so it's something you need to grasp, and you need to grasp now, because we only develop on it in future years of doing depreciation. Okay, so depreciation is basically the monetary value that we assign to an asset when it loses its value. So just think of it like this: is when you purchase a car, you're so excited to purchase this £1,000,000 car, and then as soon as you drive it off the mat in the dealership, you drive it onto the road, that car has automatically lost value. Okay, so it's not worth the same amount that you purchased it for. Okay, it's a basic way of explaining depreciation. Depreciation is classified as an expense account, which means that it affects our profit at the end of the day. It is shown in our statement of profit and loss, or our statement of comprehensive income. Depreciation, we assign 2 GAAP principles mainly to depreciation to understand why we have to do depreciation. So that would firstly be the matching principle, and this just means that we need to match the devaluation of the asset to the period in which it is used. Okay, and then secondly, we have the rule of prudence. So this rule with depreciation just means that depreciation reduces our net profit at the end of the day. Okay, so we need to make sure we account for that, as well as it decreases the value of our asset in the statement of financial position. Okay, so you're making adjustments for that. Okay, now with the depreciation, every year that we calculate it, we got to make sure that we keep track of what we calculate. Okay, so this is where accumulated depreciation comes into account. Okay, accumulated depreciation is a negative asset. I know you're probably like, what is going on? How can there be a negative asset? You told me accounting's easy. It does, it just makes sense. It's a negative asset because it decreases our assets. So basically, in the negative asset just means that it increases on the credit side and decreases on the debit side, but you still treat it as an asset. Okay, so it has the same characteristics of an asset. It's just a negative one. Okay, so with the accumulated depreciation, this is shown in our statement of financial positions under the PPE note or the fixed asset note, just to show that what we have decreased our cost price of our assets, our fixed assets with. Okay, so every year when the total depreciation is calculated, it will be added to the accumulated depreciation. Remember, accumulated, the depreciation has accumulated over the number of years.